What's up, my loves? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming at you with a new video and we are going to be making agua de frutas. Super delicious and perfect for this summer weather. If you want to learn how to make this, please keep on watching. For this recipe, all you are going to need is apples, strawberries, bananas, peaches, and melon. Again, if you don't want to be using all the fruits, you don't have to, but this is personally the way I enjoy making it. I love this agua, and I think the first time I tried it was in La Michoacana in Guadalajara. If you ever tried it, then you already know what I'm talking about. It is super, super refreshing and just really delicious. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how I make mine. And basically what I am doing here is just cutting up all my fruits. The measurements are really up to how much you are going to be making. This is a lot of fruit. And at the end of the video, you will see that I basically just put it in a small little jarra just to, for showing purposes. But totally up to you guys how much fruit you want to add and also how much water you're going to be making. But this was enough to make a big, and I mean a big jarra. Once you have cut up all your fruit, we're going to go ahead and toss it into a blender and we will add some water, just enough to get it mixing nicely. Then we are going to go ahead and transfer that into our pitcher and we are going to strain the fruit. Once that is all done, we will go ahead and go back, but this time we are going to add our condensed milk and our evaporated milk, which I am using 1 whole can of each. You can also add an additional cup of sugar. This is to your tasting. I personally didn't add it because my fruits were really sugary as it was. So I went ahead and just stuck with the condensed milk and the evaporated milk. Here I tossed in some extra strawberries and now I'm going to go ahead and add my evaporated milk. I'm also going to add a couple of tablespoons of KLASS. If you don't have this flavor, you can also use strawberry Kool-Aid to replace that. And this is basically going to give it that really pink color. We are going to go ahead and mix this again into the blender and go ahead and add it to our pitcher. And honestly, this is why I didn't add more sugar, because there's sugar in the fruits, there's sugar in the condensed milk, and there's sugar in the strawberry flavoring. So to me, it's a lot, but I know people go ahead and add more sugar. And if so, I would say just use any type of sugar that you enjoy. Right now, I'm adding the fruits that I cut up. You will add some fresh fruit to the water. That's why I made a good bunch. You want to use some to blend for the water, and you also want to use some to toss in once the water is made. Lastly, we are going to top off our pitcher with some cold water, add some ice, give it a good stir, and that's it. You are done. This is how I make my agua de frutas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and also follow your girl on Instagram and on TikTok. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.